Several senators are urging suspended Bamban-Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo to voluntarily surrender after she was not found in her farm when the arrest order was served by Senate authorities. Senate Deputy Minority Leader Risa Ontiveros believes Guo should personally face the committee to answer truthfully the allegations against her.
Mas maigi sundin niya ang payo ngayon ng kanyang legal counsel na voluntarily humarap na sa Senado at tapusin niyang sagutin ang aming mga tanong. At kung nakakapag-Facebook ka, siguro naman kaya mo nang humarap sa Senado. Hindi ka Pilipino. Ang titibay na ng ebidensya.
Senator Sherwin Gatchalian shares the same sentiment, noting that Guo must respect the law. For Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada, all government agencies with police powers should join forces in searching for Guo. According to Guo's lawyer, attorney Stephen David, he has advised the suspended mayor to appear before the committee in the next hearing.
Actually, dalawang situation na nag-50-50 siya. Una, ang advice ko sa kanya, mag-appear ka, i-honor natin yung legal process kasi nga, hindi naman tayo pwede magtago habang buhay. Kaya naman yung buhay natin na masasayang sa pagtatago, magiging fugitive ka. Kaya kailan yun, di ba? Samantala, kung mag-appear ka, kaya kailangan, di naman yun para parusahan siya kasi may presumption of innocence.
Guo's legal counsel adds his client has assured him that she is still in the Philippines.
Gusto niya talaga para makaharap siya sa mga tao, makaano siya. Kaya lang nga, yung takot niya nananatili. Pero sabi ko, kung sa Senate lang naman niya, tsaka gagarantiyan ka naman ng safety doon. Well, mas safe ka pa nga doon kung tutusin.
For his part, Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero guarantees the security and welfare of Guo and other subjects of the arrest orders once detained at the Senate.
It's a detention facility na. It's a room, air-conditioned, with its own restroom, or with bunk beds. Inayos ko lang kanina. Dahil nasabi ko, katabi mismo ng PNP.
Harleen Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.